Travel Essentials, your ultimate guide to stress-free journeys. Embarking on a journey to explore new destinations and create unforgettable memories is an exhilarating experience. To ensure smooth and hassle-free travels, it's essential to pack the right essentials that will make your trip comfortable and enjoyable. In this blog post, we'll unveil a comprehensive list of travel essentials that every globetrotter should consider before setting off on their next adventure. 1. Reliable luggage. Invest in sturdy, lightweight luggage that suits your travel needs. Choose a suitcase or backpack with durable wheels and handles to navigate through airports, train stations, and streets effortlessly. Ensure it meets airline size restrictions and has ample space to accommodate your belongings. 2. Travel documents. Before you leave, double-check that you have all the necessary travel documents. This includes your passport, visa, if required, identification cards, driver's license, travel insurance details, COVID card, and any printed or digital copies of flight itineraries, hotel reservations, and emergency contact information. 3. Money and payment methods. Carry a mix of cash and cards to cover your expenses. It's advisable to have some local currency for immediate use upon arrival. Notify your bank or credit card company about your travel plans to avoid any unexpected issues with your cards abroad. Consider carrying a travel wallet or money belt for extra security. Travel credit cards also come in handy and are very useful. You will be saving money and also putting money back in your pocket. 4. Travel adapter. Different countries have varying electrical outlet standards. A universal travel adapter will ensure that you can charge your electronic devices no matter where you are. Look for one with multiple plug options and USB ports to accommodate all your gadgets. 5. Tech essentials. Pack your essential tech gadgets, such as a smartphone, camera, or tablet, along with their chargers/portable chargers and extra batteries. Don't forget to bring earphones or headphones to enjoy music, podcasts, or in-flight entertainment. A portable power bank can come in handy for charging devices on the go. 6. Travel-sized toiletries. Toiletries should be compact and comply with transportation regulations. Invest in travel-sized containers for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and other personal care items. Remember to include a toothbrush, toothpaste, facial wipes, hand sanitizer, and any necessary medications. 7. Travel health kit. Stay prepared for any health-related issues by carrying a basic first aid kit. Include band-aids, pain relievers, motion sickness medication, allergy medication, and any prescription medications you require. It's also wise to carry a small pack of wet wipes, sunscreen, and insect repellent. 8. Travel guides. Keep yourself entertained during long journeys by packing books, magazines, or e-books. Consider downloading travel apps or maps to navigate your destination efficiently. A travel guidebook or offline maps can also be helpful for discovering local attractions and recommendations. I hope this helps. Happy safe travels.